Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two ovarian masses. Indeed, in a female patient, you can see the uterus, urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder. This is uterus. This is cervix and urinary bladder. Now you can see the uterus looks echo-mecho-normal. There is no mass, cyst or foreign body seen in the uterus. There is no sign of pregnancy. Now you can see a large mass, a large ovarian mass, right ovarian mass. The ovaries are sex organs that produce female hormones and store and release eggs between puberty and menopause. An ovarian mass may be a cyst or a tumor growth, which may be non-cancerous, that is benign, or cancerous. These ovarian masses develop in one or both of the woman's ovaries. A pelvic mass may represent, you can see the blood flow inside the uterine mass. Now you can see the other mass also. Both the mass are attached to each other or lying adjacent to each other. This is the right ovarian mass, and this one is also a right ovarian mass. A pelvic mass may represent either benign, that is non-cancerous, or malignant, that is cancerous conditions. Symptoms of ovarian cysts, masses, or tumor may include pelvic pain, nausea, or vomiting. Germ cell tumor accounts for 70% of the ovarian tumors in the young age group. Overall, they account for 20 to 25% of all tumors, benign as well as malignant of the ovary. Approximately 3% are malignant. Ovarian cancer is difficult to detect in its early stages because there is not a screening test for it. Also, the symptoms are common for a number of non-cancerous conditions. Now you can see a fair amount of blood flow is also seen in both the masses. Now these masses have slightly heterogeneous echogenicity. These are round to oval in shape or semi-solid to solid in consistency. As far as symptoms of the ovarian cancer, these includes abdominal pain or bloating, constipation, increased urination, back pain, fatigue, heartburn, feeling full quickly. Ovarian cancer grows quickly and progresses from early to the advanced stages within a year. Paying attention to symptoms can help improve a woman's chance of being diagnosed and treated promptly. Detecting cancer while it is still in its earliest stage may help improve prognosis. Now you can see these two large masses, ovarian masses, right ovarian masses. Metastatic ovarian cancer is an advanced stage malignancy that has spread from the cells in the ovaries to distant areas of the body. This type of cancer is most likely to spread to the liver, the fluid around the lungs, the spleen, the intestine, the brain, skin, or lymph nodes outside of the abdomen. Epithelial ovarian cancer presents as a wide variety of vague and non-specific symptoms, including bloating, abdominal distension or discomfort, pressure effect on the bladder and rectum, constipation, vaginal bleeding, indigestion and acid reflux, shortness of breath, tiredness, weight loss, and early satiety. You can see some important information in the description of this video. These are the right ovarian masses. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.